It's Samantha, and today I am going to show you how to curl your hair like this. It's kind of like a Marilyn Monroe style with just this one tool. You don't really need a comb or anything. I'm just going to show you how to get this style. I'm going to show you how to do this on my straight hair. Half of it is already done, but it's okay. I'm going to use a strand of hair right here. I'm just going to use this, and this is just a curler called Infinitipro by Conair. I really like this. You don't really have to wrap around it like those kind of curlers. You need like thin pieces, so it won't allow you to do like thick pieces. So just want to curl your hair like that and wait until you hear like a fast, rapid beat. And that's how you know your hair is ready. Like that, and then just let it go. Like, there you go. That is basically how you do it. And then I usually bobby pin my bangs, so it'll just be like that. Just like really, really pretty. Keep on doing that around your hair. I'll show you how to do the back. So just keep on any strand, and then just like curl it. I like to hold it here if it's not too hot, if you can handle it. And then let go. That's basically how you do it. It's really hard to do the back, so I'll show you later how to do it, because the first time I had to have like help. Just let go. If you want loose waves, you can just do it on the first beat. This is part 2 of how to curl your hair. So right now I have like basically both my hair done. You can also curl the little strands, but I mainly curl these small strands because like the big strands, because more people can see that. But basically you want to curl right here, like right there. So I'm just gonna show you that. So basically you just take it here, right here, and then it magically disappears, and you wait. Da, 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 da. And you just let go, and there's your hair. Curly as ever. Curl the second piece. And yeah, that is how you do your hair. And that is basically it. I mean, I'll show you how to do the back. Make sure you grab a thin strand, like right here. Ow! That almost just ripped my hair. Here, let me show you. Like an inch away, just in case, because it like pulls your hair back further. And that's how you do the back. So, see you guys later.